Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to drain fuel on a lawnmower. It's really hard, but there is a simple way to do it. Try get one bottle spray like that. So see, I try to drain it. It still is some fuel under there, some water and some dirt there. And the fuel tank of the edge is it have edge inside, so if you try to tip it over, the fuel it won't come out. So the best things here, get one of the sprays so you can get it from anywhere. Just put it there, and then just you see, you can drain everything completely. That's simple.